Staff operational and support services readiness are key to the development and implementation of a successful transition plan, as well as a safe and positive patient experience on day one. As organizations embark on the journey of building a new or expanded hospital, determining how the new design will impact existing operations should be conducted early in the process. This work should begin during the design phase, but all too often is neglected until well after construction has begun. Reviewing current and future state workflow changes during design can eliminate costly design change orders down the road. Furthermore, gathering critical data on the front end of a project will reduce staff time involvement and minimize the need for multiple reviews of findings months or years after the initial design phase. This session will review the timing and process for preparing your team to successful transitioning into your new facility.